everyone, this is me Paulina. Hope you all are doing well. First of all, let me thank you for those people who have recently subscribed my channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. And today was my husband's birthday. His birthday is on 3rd December, so I was getting ready for dinner. We were going to for a hangout. So I was getting ready. I thought I should create Eyelook in front of you people. So hope you will like it, and of course support me. I need your support. So this was my eye look, and I was wearing pink, so I created pink and brown eye look. And this is how I created. Hope you will like it. And again, if you like it, then subscribe my channel, give me a thumbs up, and appreciate my effort. It's very difficult to make video, and I don't have anyone else. No one is with me to help me in editing, to make video, and I make video by myself, and I edit it. Then it's a long process to create movie video for you people. But I spend a good time with you. So please subscribe my channel, those who watch but have not yet subscribed my channel. So it's a humble request to subscribe my channel, support me. So this was my final look. Hope you will like it. If you like it, share with your friends and family, and keep me in your prayers, definitely. And I pray for you all, those who you are my family, of course. So we'll meet in next video. Till then, God willing, bye.